Hey guys, Proctor here. Just gonna get the van out of the spot. Or something. I don't know. That's fine. Cool. Doesn't it sound delightful?